Maybe one day when you have a really big clearing and flat ground, I'll teach you how to drive.
Okay. There was very nice.
Oh, you want to try there?
Yeah.
You want to try to drive there?
Mm.
Really? Slow it. Hey guys, I'm with Richie today. Raymond's behind us. But we're right in front of Baludoys' house, and it looks like they're all finished bringing the sand and all the concrete and stuff up. So that's good.
Where are we going?
We go the other way. So that's one of the ways you go if you walk. Well, we're gonna go, which you guys seen before, and take our scooter or moped. Wait, Richie hasn't seen the way yet, so it should be a fun adventure with her. All right, see up there? That's where we're gonna go.
Are you sure?
I don't know, maybe.
I will just walk.
Hold on!
Hold on.
Hi! All right, we made it. Right. Hey, Baludoy!
This is the CR.
Yeah, this is the first time Richie got to see this. Yeah.
How you see it?
So it's going to be connected to the house.
Wow. Mm.
Very nice. So we just arrived, and it looks like they already have the hollow block base done. So this is gonna be just in time for the rainy season. Like always, they were hard at work here. They don't waste any time at all. Who's back there? Who's back there? Who's back there? All right, so the plan is we're gonna fill all this in with rocks and anything else we can find. So we're gonna get, since there's a lot of kids here, we're gonna get everyone's help and start getting all the rocks. Good job, Raymond. Nice teamwork. Watch out! Hey, come here. Good job, guys. Richie's working out over there. How many is that? 3. Can you do 10? 4. 5. 6. 7. Wow. 8. 9. One more, you can do it. 10. Raymond has been having trouble with his bike. He can't get it started. He's trying to make it to church, but his bike is not starting. Want me to help you push it? Yeah. All right, you get on and I'll push. Whoa. Let's just go all the way home. Okay, ready? All left. All right, bro. Drive safe. See you later. That's really cool, guys. It's starting to come together. I think tomorrow we're gonna finish putting those rocks inside and then start to make the floor, and then we'll continue putting the plywood up. I think someone likes you. All right, so we're finished for today. Richie and I are gonna go home, and Baludoys, I think they're gonna start early tomorrow morning, and they'll probably continue on with the roof and maybe the walls, and then we'll start to do the floor. So tomorrow should be a good day as well. All right, Baludoy, take it easy. See you tomorrow. All right, see you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye, Ivan.
We're gonna head out of here. Maybe one day when you have a really big clearing and flat ground, I'll teach you how to drive.
Okay. There was very nice.
Oh, you wanna try there?
Yeah.
You wanna try to drive there? Really?
Mm.
It's kind of bumpy, but okay. Well, yeah, we can try. Here, I'll drive over there. Alright, watch out for the rocks.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
I know how to drive.
Oh, you do?
Bike.
A
only.
bicycle? Alright. Well, the first step is you have to get in front.
Okay.
Do you want me to sit in back or
Yeah.
no? Okay. All right,
And
guys. And then this is the go. these are the stop.
Go.
Yeah, you just
Stop.
pull. Yeah, you go like this. Do it really softly though. You don't need to go use a lot.
This is go and stop. How about this one?
That one's stop too. But just go really, just a little bit. A little's enough.
How to?
Just a little bit. Just keep going back this way. No, this way. Towards you.
Same. Also this one.
That one doesn't move. It's only the right hand.
What?
Okay, slow. Holy jeez. That was, oh, I think I need new underwear. All right. So really just a little bit.
So stop, right?
Yeah, if you start to go out of control, just please let go of this. Let go of the gas.
Oh my god.
All right, yeah, just really. I think it's going to be really hard on this grass. I think we need road. Just go nice and slow. Use you can put your feet on the ground. All right, nice and slow. All right, try to go straight if you can. I think it's harder with two people.
I don't know.
Try it by yourself. Keep your feet on the ground until you start to go. Slow it. Okay. All right. I think you should practice on your bike a little bit more.
Just use bike.
All right. All right, we'll see you guys later. Luckily no one was hurt. I'm glad I wasn't on the back seat. All right, here. You guys take care. If you guys ever try to learn how to ride a bike or motorbike,
Don't do that.
learn on a bicycle first. All right.
I know how to drive bike.
Where's there a bike? We can practice on a bike somewhere.
No bike.
Do you know anybody that has a bicycle? Bye.
No has. I think I practiced that before. Oh my god.
I'm gonna fix my mirrors.
It's broken?
No, just a little off. See how my feet are on the ground? Just keep, like walk. You just kind of walk yourself. See? How you have to have a constant on the gas. Keep it here. And then as soon as you get to that point where you start to move, just go nice and slow and just walk. And then finally just let yourself ride. I think your problem is you keep going like this. You go.
Yeah.
You just got to go nice and slow. But I think we got to go on a more flat surface. I think on the grass it's really hard. And I think you have to wear a helmet, knee pads, elbow pads, wrist pads, ankle pads.
Complete gear.
Yeah, we'll just put you in a football uniform. I'm just thinking of you. I'm glad you're okay, but oh man. Oh.
Glad I didn't fly.
Yeah.
What if I...
At least you're going really slow. I mean, there's a really small chance you would get hurt going so slow. But I'm glad you're okay, but that was... It reminds me when I rode the Carabao and I flew off. You rode the motorbike and you swam without water just like me. You're okay, right?
Yeah.
Just your ego? You bruised your ego? Right here's not too bad.
I don't want anymore.
Oh. That's the bad thing. Your first time, if you do
I
something
think I
like
can
that.
ride ATV.
ATV, yeah.
Yeah, I can ride ATV.
Alright, we'll try to find a place that has ATV. We can do that.
Or kart zone. I know kart zone.
Yeah, let's go to kart zone.
I tried that.
That's the thing we can do once quarantine is over. We'll go to like some kind of kart zone.
We'll have a race.
Yeah. That sounds like a fun idea.
It's easy because four.
Yeah, it's
Not
easier.
unlike this.
It's hard to fall off a four-wheel bike. Oh yeah! Oh,
We need to go back.
I knew that was about to happen. I just put my hand on my head.